Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is descriptive writing and our focus is going to be on describing objects. Let's go over an example. A mixer is used for blending food. The mixer is made of plastic and metal. It consists of 5 parts: a base, a stand, a motor housing, beaters, and a bowl. The base is round or rectangular in shape. The stand is supported by the base. The motor housing, which contains the motor, is fixed to the base. The steel beaters are strong and hard. They are fitted to the gearbox. The glass or plastic bowl is hard and brittle. The edge of the bowl is circular. The bowl can be detached from the base. You can see that this description is a very technical description. It is not personal at all. So we can address description, or we can write description from 2 perspectives. It can be personal, with personal feelings and personal thoughts and opinions, whereas the other type can be very technical that can go in an instructions manual. Parts of a descriptive essay. Remember that the first part of the descriptive essay is always introduction. In the first part, you should introduce the name of the object, and you should be very clear on the purpose of your description. Why are you writing that description? Is it a technical description that would go in the instructions manual, or is it an object of personal value? The next part is the main body of the essay, which can compose of 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs, or 3 paragraphs. Here you describe different parts of the object. You can talk about their location, their structure, color and shape, and you can provide other details as required. The final part of the essay is the conclusion, and in this part you give your concluding comments, feelings, and or recommendations. If it is a personal description, then you will give your comments and feelings, while if it is a technical description, you can give recommendations. When describing an object, place, process, or instruction, you need to take care of spatial order. There has to be some organizing system of describing. Spatial order refers to the practice of organizing information according to the physical location. So you can start from the right, go to the top, then go to the left, and then come back to the bottom. When do we use description of objects? We describe objects of value or importance so that the readers can visualize it while reading. Look at this picture. Look at it carefully. The first condition of being a good writer is to be observant. You need to look at things very closely and carefully. Let's read this short description. This is a kitchen platform. Above the platform, there are shelves and cabinets for different dishes, glasses, and bowls. On the left, there is a mixer, and beside it, there are pots of different sizes. In the center of the platform, there are stoves, and you can go on writing like this. And I would want you people to pause the video here and write the description of this kitchen. There are various prepositions that are useful in writing spatial order essays. Let's go over some of them. On the left, to the right, between, below, under, behind, in front of, parallel to, adjacent to, across, to the side, over, there, beyond, center, middle, inside, outside, nearby, around. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions, and over here in this particular description you can use to, with, for, etc. Oven is a device, baking, grilling, heating, etc. Oven is a device for baking, grilling, heating, etc. It is an electric device. It has a see-through glass door. View the food being cooked. It has a see-through glass door to view the food being cooked. There are stainless steel black heating elements. The top and the bottom, the oven. There are stainless steel black heating elements at the top and at the bottom of the oven. They are controlled by a thermostat to provide uniform temperature inside the oven. We can see these through the glass door. There is a wire grill inside the oven. The glass door is a drop-down front door which gives you easy access to the interior of the oven. Dash the top right-hand side. On the top right-hand side, there is a black knob, temperature control, for temperature control. Below that, there is very useful device. Below that, there is a heater selection knob. There are heater indication lights also. It is a very useful device. In the kitchen. We can use it for toasting bread. It can grill the sandwiches for us. It can also be used to fry groundnuts, etc. Now let's look at the noun phrases that have been used in this particular description. An electric device. An is an article, electric is an adjective, and device is the noun. So in this phrase, device is the head noun. A see-through glass door. Door is the head noun in this particular noun phrase. Stainless steel black heating elements. Uniform temperature. A drop-down front door. A heater selection knob. Heater indication lights. A very useful device in the kitchen. Over here, the head noun is device. In the kitchen is also describing where this particular device is. A noun group is a group of words relating to or building on a noun. Noun groups usually consist of a pointer, the, a, and, this, that, these, those, my, your, his, her, its, your, our, mums, Mr. Samir's. All of these are called pointers, plus one or more adjectives or adverbs. When you are describing something, you can talk about what is it. So you will tell its name. It's a blue leather jacket. What does it look like? How big is it? What size is it? It shines like the clear lake water shimmering on a bright sunny day. It is as huge as a blue whale. And how much does it weigh? It is so heavy that you cannot lift it with one hand. What color is it? It is rosy pink in color. What is it made of? It is made of the finest leather. What is its purpose? It keeps you warm in extreme cold weather. What do you use it for? How does it work? It is designed to make customers relaxed. We can use it for viewing minute objects easily. It works with electricity. So this is how you can focus on some questions and then try to answer them in continuous prose so that your description is beautiful, attractive for the reader, and the reader can read and visualize what you are explaining. That's all for today. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah for watching the video.